Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we watch how to install JDK and run code in VS Code. First of all, download Java JDK and VS Code from official website. Now install Java JDK. Now set environment variable path. Copy path address. Open system environment variable. Paste it here. Now check Java working or not. Good, it's working. Now install VS Code. Create a specific folder. Open with VS Code. Now install an extension called Extension Pack for Java. OK, done. Now test it. Create a file with extension .java. Write main method. And run it. Yes, we successfully install and run Java code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button.